Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making tuna fish salad, and we're going to use it to make a sandwich. So I'm going to need 2 tins of sackets tuna in water. We're going to drain that, all the water from it. You're going to need a dash of pepper, mayonnaise. We're going to use 2 spoons of these of mayonnaise. Now we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of sweet relish. We're gonna need about a tablespoon of onions and a dash of salt. When we finish, we're gonna build our sandwich, and we're gonna use this to go on our sandwich. Yeah, so now I drained all the water out of the stockist tuna. So you could use just a sieve to drain all the water out, or you could just buy the ones that are just dry in the store. I'm gonna add all the ingredients together, and we're gonna mix it together. All right, so I'm putting my ingredients in. This is the onions, and then we have 1 heap it up of relish. We're gonna have 2 of these. Keep it up real good. Yep. We're gonna have a dash of black pepper, and then a teeny bit of salt. Yes. And then we're gonna mix it together. Real nice. Yeah, here you go. You could eat it with crackers if you want to. You could eat it with toast, bread, whatever. You could make a sandwich with it. So right now I'm gonna make a sandwich. You have your Swiss cheese, lettuce, avocado, and your tomatoes. Of course, you don't have to put any of these in if you don't want to. You could just eat it like that, or you could put whatever you want on your sandwich. Okay. All right, so we're back. We're finished, and so we're building our sandwich. So you put your salad on here nicely, and then we're gonna add our toppings to it. Gonna add our lettuce, tomato, and then our cheese go on top. And then we're gonna press it down, and we're gonna cut. So here it is, beautifully made tuna salad sandwich. You can make it for the kids to take to school. You can make it yourself, eat it at home. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back next time. Bon appetit.